This is a 2018 BMW K1600 B. This is BMW's bagger. This is one incredible motorcycle. I love these bikes. It has a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine pumping about 160 horsepower, 130 pounds of torque, 6-speed transmission that has a quick shift assist, which is basically what you find on a sport bike. As long as you have the throttle on, you can shift up through the gears without using the clutch, so you can get this bike up to speed in a hurry. Being a BMW, it is loaded with all kinds of features on it. It has hill start assist. If you're on a steep incline, you can set the brakes on the bike and then just take off when you choose without having to figure out how to hold the brake and hold the bike up and feather the clutch and give it the gas. It does all that for you. Big 7-gallon gas tank. Nice comfortable seat that is heated with separate controls for the rider and the passenger. Heated grips. Cruise control, of course. Adjustable windshield, so you can electronically adjust it up and down as you're riding or when you're parked. And it has a memory to remember where you had it set last time. The windshield has been replaced with an Aeroflow windshield, which has got a nice flare to it. Get the wind off of you a little better than the stock one. It has dynamic headlights, which assist you going around a curve where they move a little bit and up and down hills. ABS brakes, traction control, LED headlights, LED turn signals, LED tail lights, driving lights, incredible brakes. Now it has 3 electronic performance modes that you can shift on the fly. There's a dynamic, which is full on, a road mode for just cruising, and then a rain mode to keep you from spinning out on a wet road. It has 6 electronic suspension modes. A road mode, which is a little tighter for running the twisties. A cruise mode for running down the freeway. And each one of those has 3 settings for one rider, a rider with luggage, and a rider, luggage, and passenger. So you can find the sweet spot how you want it to make it ride. The BMW GPS has been added to it. Some grip buddies give you a little better grip and a little more comfort. And these little side covers have been added. Normally behind here you just see the battery and some wiring and stuff, but this has been added to hide all that, which is a nice touch. You have floorboards for highway pegs, and underneath them is the engine guard in case the bike tips over on you. These bikes just ride incredible, handle incredible, plenty of power. This one has 3,386 original miles on it. This bike isn't even close to being broken in. stereo system with Bluetooth. If you're a BMW fan or just somebody looking for a great cruising bike or touring bike, check out this K1600B BMW. This is one incredible machine. I've ridden these bikes cross country and they are comfortable, fast, and just an absolute blast to ride. Super low mileage. It has the premium package, which has all the options on it. This bike is ready for a rider. For information on how to put this beautiful low mileage 2018 K1600B in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.